Hello dear students, today we will continue lesson number 13, the sentence, page number 88 and 89. On the other day we have already completed seeing the two exercises, question number A and B. And today we will see exercise number C, in which the first one is rewrite the sentences into the kinds mentioned. So we will see within the bracket the options are already given. So in which our sentence we need to change, or what type of sentence we need to convert the given sentence, it is also mentioned. So we will see those things and accordingly we will try to change them. Dear students, just look at ones here. Please lock all the doors properly. So this sentence you need to change it into imperative or a command. So the first one I have done here, please lock all the doors properly. Please lock all the doors properly. So what am I doing? I am asking somebody, I am requesting someone to lock all the doors properly. So it is an imperative sentence. I have written here also the next one, you can see lock all the doors properly. Lock all the doors properly, So what am I doing? I am just commanding, isn't it? Lock all the doors properly. So this is not a request. Instead, it is it's an order. I am telling someone that he or she must do that. Similarly, we will see the question number 2. Raghav has been badly injured. Here what have I done? I have just changed the order of the sentence. You see, the helping verbs I have just placed before the subject, isn't it? This is a helping verb, so that this is placed before the subject and the rest of the sentence remains the same. So, has Raghav been badly injured? So that becomes an interrogative sentence. Let's move on to the third one, where it says, what a good book it is. What a good book it is. So we will write, it is a very good book. It is a very good book. We'll move on to the next one. You have how much? Let me do this fourth one also for you. Number 4. The artist's exhibition was beautiful. The artist's exhibition was beautiful. This sentence you need to change it into exclamatory. So you see here, the artist's exhibition was beautiful. So when we change it into exclamatory, it will be like this: what a beautiful the artist's exhibition is. So what a beautiful the artist's exhibition is. So dear students, this way we are going to do the other 4. You have 5, 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So these things you will be doing it. The first 4 I have solved and the other 4 you are going to complete on your own. So we have only this, I have to see only, there's no exercise. Let's do one thing. You just go through all these, we are just coming to the end of the practice. A, B and C, only 3 exercises are there in it. In case of any difficulties, maybe question number A, B and C, you may just ask me, and with the problems of like the four kinds of sentences. First, you need to know the definitions of all these four kinds of what to say sentences with an example, and you need to identify the sentences. Okay, what it is. Okay, what kind of sentence is this? You must be okay, very acquainted or familiar with this. And one more thing, okay, which I am going to talk to you is that on the next video we'll have like when we change the assertive sentence, when we change assertive, okay, assertive sentence into exclamatory, there are some rules, okay. Sometime, okay, that what or something is there, okay, we need to change this one, and instead of this, okay, what we are supposed to write or how to change, okay, interchange of all this, okay, assertive into exclamatory. Again, okay, when we change it to, okay, from exclamatory to assertive sentence, how we are going to do that. So those things we will be discussing on the next video. So you just okay have what to say a little bit of concept of this one, and be okay confident when you making or writing the answer. Don't simply guess and write what it is. So please try to understand all that is being taught, and we'll be seeing the other things in the next video. So thank you so much.